Junkyard Dog 3 update, more snap-on. Eight to 22 or 4, whatever it is, swivel, 3/8 impact, shallow, semi, deep, Torx, tamper-proof, 20 to 26 3/8 long screwdriver, inverted Torx, hexes, 36mm, 1/2 inch sockets, 10 to 36, carburetor, screwdrivers, adapters, quarter-inch down front here, semi, shallow, deep as well. Got some cutters coming on the way, wire cutters. Whoop. Got a pick kit underneath here. All snap-ons in here. Matco cotter key. Tire tools, picks, spark plugs. It's all snap-on, I'll tell you if it's not. There's 1/2 inch shallows. Matco long pry tool. Oops. Long bar up front. You can see the things. Magnetic extensions. Not snap-ons. Plus, wobble plus. Ford key for a radio. Wrenches. 36 was up top. Got a 6 stubby down there and a normal 6. And then 7 to 25 all flank drive plus. You can tell by the USA on it. See, we'll get down there on one. Don't have a 34 yet. Come in here, down here we do. Then we got double box in. I have a 27, 30 back here. Then we come back up here, we're at a 22, 24, down to 10. And then short ones down to 10. Gear wrench, flex head, ratcheting, good ones 8, down to 25. 31 bar besides the other sets. Brushless, DeWalt, XR, excellent tool. Drill, Sawzall, has 2-way head in it. Put the blade either way you want. Down inside, let's see if we can get it to go in there and see. So you can see going either way. Brushless, little quarter. Matco 8-piece. 29 to 39, I think. 40-ounce slab on.